In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the logo on your Squarespace website. Whether you want to add a fresh new logo design or switch to just displaying your site title, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring everything looks just the way you want it. We'll begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard for your website. This is where you manage all aspects of your site, from design adjustments to content updates. Our focus today will be on the design aspect. Next, head over to the Design panel. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it, and a menu will expand with various design customization options for your website. From this menu, you'll want to click on Logo and Title. This section is crucial because it contains the settings for your website's logo and title, which are vital for your site's branding. To update your logo, you will first need to manage your current logo settings. Hover your mouse over the existing logo image, and you'll spot a trash can icon. This icon is your tool for deleting the current logo. Click on it, and the present logo will be removed from your site. Once that's done, you'll be ready to add your new custom logo. Simply upload your own logo file from your computer by following the upload prompts. Make sure the logo you are uploading is optimized for web display, ideally a PNG or JPG file with a clear resolution. This ensures your site loads quickly and your logo looks sharp on all devices. If you'd prefer to showcase your site title as your primary branding, there's a simple way to make this switch. With the logo removed, you'll notice an option to enter your site title. Go ahead and type in your desired site title in the Site Title field. It's important to remember that with Squarespace, either a logo or a site title needs to be displayed at all times. Therefore, ensure you have one clearly set up to maintain the professional look and branding of your website. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the preview of your site to see how everything aligns. Small adjustments might be needed to make sure the placement and size look just right. Every change you make here will affect the first impression users get when they visit your website. So take a moment to carefully review before finalizing. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily update or switch between having a custom logo or site title on your Squarespace website. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy designing.